Hair serum for split ends. Trimming the hair is often seen as the last and the most effective way to get rid of split ends. But you can also try the homemade hair serum that will help you fix the split ends and prevent their occurrence. Hair serum recipe for split ends. Take a 4 ounces amber glass dropper bottle and using a small funnel, pour in 2 tablespoons of fractionated coconut oil, 1.5 tablespoon of argan oil, and 1 teaspoon of sea buckthorn oil. Now, carefully add 7 drops of each of these essential oils, geranium and sandalwood. Close the bottle, shake it well to combine the ingredients, and keep in a cool dry place, away from sunlight. How to use it. Wash your hair, and while it is wet, but not dripping, apply this serum. Place 3-6 drops on your palm, rub the palms together, then with your palms, spread the serum along the hair length, giving the special attention to the hair ends. You can apply the serum few times a week, or every time you take shower, right after it. The benefits of the ingredients. Argan oil nourishes and repairs your hair, bringing it back to life. Fractionated coconut oil is full of medium-chain triglycerides that can seal up hair cuticles. Sea buckthorn oil is one of the most effective remedies for dry and damaged hair due to its healing properties. Sandalwood essential oil locks the moisture within the hair, thus preventing both dry hair and split ends. Geranium essential oil normalizes skin sebum production, eliminating hair dryness.